G'day everybody, my name's Roberto from Fornieri wood-fired ovens. I'm based here in Melbourne, Australia. I come from Fornieri wood-fired ovens. I sell pizza ovens. I sell the Alpha range of pizza ovens, or the wood-fired Co Sydney Fire Brick Australian-made brick and precast pizza ovens. I've also brought in a line of wood of fire pits for this season. Winter's on its way in, and there's been an increasing demand for fire pits. So I found these Australian designed fire pits. They come from Queensland in Australia. Very, very good quality fire pits. Just wanted to quickly show you, do a quick demonstration on what you can get with these sort of things. So these fire pits, sorry about the noise, are cast iron, made of cast iron. They're not made of steel. That means they'll rust. When they rust out in the weather, they'll become a beautiful orange colour. If you look on my website, you'll see what that looks like. They oxidise and they become a beautiful orange colour. They look very, very nice. So they don't rust and deteriorate like iron would. These are cast iron, so they just look better as they age. So they made like in cast iron. There's various different stands for them and sizes. So this is called the cupola base. It's just a ring, and you can have a 800mm wide deep shallow dish that can sit on that. This is the 750mm here, and there's also a 950mm. There are other bases like the Da Vinci and a few others. They look like they're still different designs. So that's what the pit would look like if you put it on one of the other bases. There's quite a few various designs. Sorry, I'm not familiar with them all. I'm pretty new to the fire pits, but there's a range on my website you can have a look at there. So yeah, again, that's the 750. They come in a 950 as well. Another great accessory with these are the BBQ plates. This BBQ plate is extremely heavy, solid steel. It's got some notches cut out here, so it sits quite snugly on top of the base. You can cook some eggs on here and some sausages and whatever you want. So once you've lit your fire, you can keep stoking it, do your barbecue here. So if you're sitting outside on a cool afternoon, sitting around the fire and you get a little bit hungry, throw the plate on, let it warm up and cook your dinner. Great little accessory. And then yeah, once you're done, you can take your plate off. It's got a nice little carry handle there. And there's also, as you'll see, these lids. Again, very solid lid with two handles. That simply sits on top of your fire pit, and that'll put your fire out. It'll stop any embers flying away if it was a windy day. You can put that on, go to bed, and you don't have to worry about anything going wrong. Yeah, and the next day, once that's cooled down, you can also get these covers. They're quite good, quite strong. Put the cover on, tighten up the drawstring underneath, and that'll protect that plate. Not much I can really say. It's a fire pit. They come in various sizes. There's various frame designs. They are really well made. If you're looking for something like that, please visit my website. I've got all the prices and things on that. If you need an Alpha pizza oven or a Sydney Fire Brick, a wood-fired Co pizza oven, they're there as well. So yeah, my name is Roberto. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this sort of stuff, please subscribe to my channel. I have lots of videos on things you can do with wood-fired ovens and accessories and different types of ovens, and we've got gas ovens coming out shortly. Yeah, please subscribe and leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.